Ceratizit have their best in-class solutions for the aerospace industry, and we're here to find out how and why they are market leaders.
My name is Andy Staiger. I'm a Sales Director for Global Key Account and Segment. So my team and I, we ensure that our technical expertise comes from a global network to the local countries. We are involved in all the global projects along with our customers and bring our knowledge together. The best-in-class solutions are not just delivering quality tools, it's about delivering a total solution for our customers. So along with our global network expertise that we have, we ensure that at the end, the customer can produce the aerospace parts in a best and most efficient way, and while delivering the most high performance tools available for the aerospace industry. Ceratizit differentiate especially on our supply chain, so we really have the whole supply chain in our hand. That means for our partners, they can rely on us because we do really everything internal from the ore to the finished product. And this comes along with a very high experienced team working globally and ensure that the production is going on the best efficient way. So we have a team represented in 11 countries and on 3 different continents, making sure our aerospace customer getting everywhere the same application support along with our local application engineers. Especially in aerospace, a zero-defect tolerance is the key. So we achieve that due to a global expertise with R&D, sales, and application engineers working together to ensure that we deliver the reliability and the process security our aerospace customer need. So especially when it comes to titanium milling, we really set a new benchmark with our Monster Mill ISO S program. So it's available in trifoil milling, in any kind of 5Ts, 4Ts end mills. And due to the carbide end coating technology that we use we really set a new benchmark on the titanium milling when it comes to surface quality and of course the tool life. Additionally, when it comes to the insert milling, we launched the first milling cutter which is 3D printed. So we guide basically the coolant directly to the edge, to the insert. Due to a 3D printing technology, we print basically our coolant holes where they need to be to give basically the best coolant in the titanium machining. Whenever it comes to a very tough machining, so where you need a very strong body and a strong insert, our 8 cutting edges, specialized porcupine cutter. Here we show it as a mono tool, so be most rigid and basically drives our inserts to the limit. The future in the aerospace industry for Ceratizit is, I would say, a bright future because we have a lot of developments going on in any kind of components in the aerospace. But I cannot tell you too much, so you have to wait.